In this video, we're going to be going over adding Google Drive v2 to your BackupBuddy plugin within your website. From your BackupBuddy plugin, you're going to head over to the Destinations tab and come over here to Add New. From here, you'll get a list of remote destinations you can choose from, and we're going to go ahead and click on Google Drive v2. We'll head over here and we'll sign in. A pop-up box will come up and you will choose what account and email you want to link up to your website. We'll be prompted with this screen and you're going to go ahead and allow. Now you'll copy and paste this value that was given to you. Now you'll paste it here in the space provided. You'll link your account. And you'll be prompted here to configure your Drive destination. From here you can create a directory or leave it as is. Once you're happy with your destination, you scroll down and you'll go ahead and hit add. And that's it, now you're done.